Evening face doing the main challenge for Adam for his Giannis winner takes all 2-card lot. Oh, Jesus, what there? Challenge is live. List is here somewhere. Saw it before. There it is. There, it's a 50 with Nick all the way down to Owen at the bottom. For some reason it's being painful. Copy that list. There's the randomizer. 8:52 PM local time. Mick on top, Owen at the bottom. Dice roller, 2 dice, no snake eyes. It's 6. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Winner takes all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Jason on top one more time at 8:53. Congrats to spot 9. Andrew picking it up. We had to go 6 times. Did go 6 times. Verification code at the bottom. Spot 9. Andrew picking it up. Congrats. Challenge complete.